Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making nail glue out of Fevicol. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to IQRA'S Lifestyle. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So first, take a bowl and add some Fevicol. Then add some nail polish to it. It doesn't have to be clear, I've done it before and it works with any nail polish. But yeah, and mix it. Next, gently buff the surface of your nail. And also the inside of your fake nail. I actually made this myself and I'll leave the link to this video in the description. Put a thin layer of glue on your fake nail and your natural nail. Wipe off any excess and secure it with a rubber band. This is just going to keep it pressed down while it dries. Leave it to dry for about 20 to 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes. It feels quite strong, it will last you all day. And if you apply a lot of pressure, it will come off. But it's damage free, so that's good. That's it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!